Welcome to Droppy, your trusted source for real, high-potential crypto airdrops. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another opportunity to earn crypto by simply being early. Today, we're talking about the Snoonaut Airdrop, one of the most exciting drops in the Web3 space right now. Snoonaut is an AI-powered Reddit assistant platform built on the Solana blockchain. It's designed to change how users engage with Reddit by helping you write better posts, summarize long threads, track your karma stats, and even automate responses. But here's the best part, Snoonaut is giving away free SNOOT tokens to early adopters through their Phase 4 airdrop, and you still have time to join. Let's walk through what makes this project unique and how you can participate. First, what is Snoonaut? Snoonaut is like having a personal Reddit co-pilot. It gives you smart post ideas, enhances your comments, summarizes conversations, tracks your performance, and automates your Reddit interactions. Whether you're a casual browser or a power user, Snoonaut helps you stand out. Now let's get into the airdrop. SNOOT is the platform's native token, built on Solana for fast and low-cost transactions. The total supply is 1 billion, and 35% is allocated to the community and reward incentives. Unlike basic airdrops that only ask for a follow or a tweet, Snoonaut's campaign is based on real engagement. The more you use their AI tools and interact with the platform, the more you earn. Here's how to join. Step 1. Visit the official Snoonaut Airdrop page. The link is in the description below. Step 2. Click Connect with Reddit. This authorizes your Reddit account and pulls in your engagement data like account age and karma. Step 3. Once connected, you'll start earning points automatically. These points translate into SNOOT tokens at the time of distribution. Step 4. Complete bonus tasks like following Snoonaut on social platforms, using the Reddit AI bot, referring friends, and submitting your Solana wallet address. Be sure to double-check your wallet address, tokens sent to the wrong wallet can't be recovered. Step 5. Stay active. Users who continue to engage with the AI tools will earn even more through ongoing phases and community reward boosts. What sets Snoonaut apart is that it's not just another token. It's an actual working tool that's deeply integrated into Reddit, with features that Reddit power users will genuinely find valuable. If you want airdrops that have real-world utility and reward actual participation, not just hype, Snoonaut is for you. To get started, click the link in the description and join the Snoonaut Airdrop today. And when you're done, check out our recommended video to continue building your airdrop portfolio with other high-potential opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next drop.